Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best angle grinders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best angle grinders that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch 1375A4-1/2 inch angle grinder. If you prefer a lightweight one, then this one from Bosch is even better than the one mentioned above. Weighing only 5 pounds, and features 6.0 amp, this angle grinder can perform up to 11,000 no-load RPM. As you can see, even it is small, but it can provide maximum power for your need. The side handle can be adjusted. Still, it is recommended that you change it to the original side for maximum comfort. Compact, powerful, and comfortable, these are all you need when choosing the right angle grinder. Moving on at number 4. We have the DeWalt DW847 inch medium angle grinder. The DeWalt 7-inch medium angle grinder is a compact yet powerful grinding tool offering 13.0 amp of power at speeds of up to 8,000 RPM. This heavy-duty tool features a rear handle grip area for better control and comfort, an adjustable keyless guard that can be easily moved to a preferred position, and a spindle lock that makes changing wheels quick and easy. Other features include sealed ball and roller bearings to prevent debris from entering, external brush doors for easy access during servicing, and a 2-position side handle for optimal control. At number 3, we have the Milwaukee 2780-20 M18 Fuel 4-1/2/5 pad. The world's first cordless grinder delivers the power of a corded grinder with up to 2x more run time and up to 10x longer motor life. The M18 Fuel 4-1/2/5 grinder supplies maximum sustained power to complete the toughest grinding, surface preparation and cutting applications. The POWERSTATE brushless motor provides up to 10x longer motor life and lower cost of ownership. The M18 trademark Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack not included delivers up to 4x more run time and 20% more power. The grinder features RedLink Plus Intelligence, the most advanced system of cordless power tool electronics, for maximum performance. The 18-volt lithium-ion grinder's thin body design gives it optimized balance to rest easily in your hands. Tool-free accessory changes and guard adjustments mean less downtime during work. The grinder is built with the same tool body, gearing system and anti-vibration side handle as Milwaukee's legendary high-performance corded grinders for maximum durability on the job. Grinding wheel sold separately. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DW402K 4-1/2 inch 11 amp angle grinder kit. To the nearest top of the list, we have another one from DeWalt. DeWalt DW402K comes with the kit box. As you are considering about having a tool, it is always a good idea to get the kit box to keep your things organized. Without a doubt, this is one of the best angle grinders in the market right now. Moreover, the best thing about this item is that there is a system which they call dust rejection system. This one will make sure your tools are always clean and neat to prolong its durability. On top of that, you will never worry about making a rotation for this, as it comes with a one-touch guard that allows you to rotate it in 360 degrees. Last but not least, safety is very important. This is why there is a lock prevention so that the chance of unintended startup is reduced and prevented. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita 9557 PBX 14-1/2 inch angle grinder. The reason that this one from Makita is at the top of the list and become the best angle grinders is that it comes in a bundle. With your purchase, you will get 3 items includes, one of Makita 9557 PBX 14-1/2 inch angle grinder with aluminum case, Makita VC 4710 12-gallon wet-dry vacuum, and one of Makita 193794-5. The price of this bundle is perfect for you if you are a professional. And if you are new to angle grinders and these kinds of tool, it is a good time to learn how to use all of them in one setting. Makita is a well-known brand when talking about home tools. You know it, I know it, everyone knows it. And all I can tell is that for sure, this bundle is an excellent choice for you. For further detail, check it out right now. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.